do some mechanical work here today. And the battery is underneath the electronic component, which is a charger, but I'm going to have to run underneath the frame and up to the mount here for my phone. Because I'm using the GPS on my phone. Okay, so I'm not sure if you will notice if I have this or not, but I have a strap. And the strap goes underneath the battery because it's so tight in there to get it. So luckily it comes out, so I can pull up and then use my finger to grab the nozzles that are here and here in the back. And we'll actually lift it up. I suggest you order one or get one. Makes a huge difference. It is attached to the hardware right here, which is great. I also understand that there's an alternative. So the alternative would be, which I was planning on doing, is taking the screws that come with the battery, right? Tie some twine around this one, put the screw in here, and some twine around that one, and then that will actually work as a lever or a handle, right? You put it too, and you can lift it up that way. So if you don't have the strap, that's a good alternative. You'll see my battery. I had some crust on the posts that may have been a result of why the battery died, just age-wise. And I did check, and it looks like the battery might have been about 6 years old. And as you can see, it is a Drag Specialties battery, replacing with the same Drag Specialties battery. All right, so I'll show you when it's all done. Okay, so I've taken the time to get that dropped in there. It was a little dusty, so I wiped it all down. I'm not sure if you're one of those kind of people like me, where if when you're working on something, if the area is dirty, I tend to wipe it down and get it cleaned up. So a couple more spots here with some dust. I'm going to wipe them down just so it's fresh and clean in there. Then I'm going to attach the screws and the auxiliary cables for my accessories. And it turns out the additional thing that I wanted to include had two female USB-C ports, and I actually need a male to male to make it work, or SAE to male. The SAE is this, right? So SAE connect here to a male USB-C to plug into my phone. So that's what's missing. So I've got to find that connector. Then I don't have to worry about adding the additional piece. I can only use this, plug that joker in, and it's solid. And as I see here, I've got a cable broke, so I might have to do something about that to make sure I don't lose the cap, the dust cap. All right, so next thing, this will all be reconnected. I'll install the seat, and then we'll see what it sounds like if it starts right up. Okay, everything's back together. And let's go ahead and check. Make sure she starts up. Keep your fingers crossed. There we go. Happy, super happy. So there's nothing like when you want to go out for a little fun, and unfortunately your toys are broken. And with this situation, didn't even know the toy was broken until I went out to roll, pulled out of the garage, got it on the driveway, had the jacket on, had the helmet on, everything was ready to go. Hit the button and it was click, 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 click. So yeah, so ready to go. Sounds like fun to me. So we're gonna have a great day. You're gonna get out of here for a couple hours. Peace.